Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Eco Adda Way to Economics. Today we continue NCERT class 10 chapter 1 development. Let's start with introduction. हमने इससे पहले वाली क्लास में पढ़ा था कि इनकम क्या होती है. इनकम इज दैट मनी विच वी गेट इन द एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. जब हम किसी को गुड या सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं उसके एक्सचेंज में जो हमें मनी मिलता है दैट इज़ नोन एज इनकम. सो टुडे वी स्टार्ट विद नेशनल इनकम. National income can be defined as the all-round and balanced development of different aspects and facets of the nation. National income means nation की income. हम कैसे define कर सकते हैं? When development is based on all-round and balanced. एक nation तब भी develop हो सकता है जब उसके सारे citizen individually developed हों. It includes all aspects of the life of an individual and the nation. National development is the ability of a country to improve social welfare of the people. So every individual should be developed, only then the nation is developed. Let's read the textbook. National development is very important to keep in mind that different persons could have different as well as conflicting notion of a country's development. However, can all the ideas be considered equally important, or if there are conflicts, how does one decide what would be fair and what would be unfair? National development means thinking about such questions. Now here is a definition of national income according to the United Nations. National development is growth plus change. Change in turn is social and cultural as well as economic and qualitative as well as quantitative. सो नेशनल डेवलपमेंट तभी हो सकती है जब उसमें ग्रोथ हो, उसमें पॉजिटिव चेंजेस आए सोशली और कल्चरली दोनों तरीके से, ऑल्सो एज वेल एज इकनॉमी में चेंज आए बोथ क्वालिटी एज वेल एज क्वांटिटी वाइज. सेकेंडली, what is average income? Average income is used more than evaluating national income of a country. किसी भी नेशन की इनकम को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए वी हैव टू यूज़ एवरेज इनकम. इट विल बी कैलकुलेटेड बेस्ड ऑन मनी अर्न ऑफ अ पर पर्सन इन अ स्पेसिफिक एरिया ऑफ अ सर्टेन ईयर. सो एवरेज इनकम कैसे कैलकुलेट होती है? मनी अर्न बाय पर पर्सन. इंडिविजुअल एक साल में कितना पैसा कमाता है दैट इज़ एवरेज इनकम ऑफ द नेशन. Average incomes, averages are useful for comparison. They also hide disparities. So here in table 1.2, there are two countries, country A and country B. Monthly income at individual person 1 to 5. So comment down if you know how to calculate average. Also comment down if your concept of development and income is clear. Support my effort by sharing this video with your classmates. Let's move on to the next topic, income and other criteria. When we looked at individual aspiration and goals, we found that people not only think of better income but also have goals such as security, respect for others and equal treatment, freedom, etc. in mind. Similarly, when we think of a nation or a region, we may, beside average income, think of other equally important attributes. So, in table 1.3, there are three states, Haryana, Kerala and Bihar, and its per capita income. So, per capita income for a nation is calculating by dividing the country's national income by its population. तो किसी भी कंट्री की पर कैपिटा इनकम कैलकुलेट करने के लिए we have to divide the country's national capital by its population. So here are the formula of calculating average income and per capita income. Please note it down. The next topic is how to compare different countries or a state. हम दो कंट्रीज़ या दो स्टेट को कैसे कंपैरिजन कर सकते हैं कि कौन सी which country is more developed than the other country. Usually we take one or more important characteristics of person and compare them based on these characteristics. We compare different countries by observing the income per person, but only income is not a factor as we studied. There are other factors also involved in the development, that is security, freedom, and equality. This is true of development too. For comparing countries, their income is considered to be one of the most important attribute. We compare the average income, which is the total income of a country divided by its total population. The average income is also called as per capita income. India comes in the category of low middle income countries because its per capita income in 2017 was just $1820 per annum. इंडिया को इन 2017 अनडेवलपमेंट कंट्री माना था because at that time average income of India was low. So in this table 1.4, some comparison data on Haryana, Kerala and Bihar is given. So here the comparison is based on infant mortality rate and the literacy rate. So IMR, infant mortality rate, is indicate the number of children that die before the age of 1 year. तो IMR क्या है, जितने भी बच्चे मर जाते हैं. So IMR is the number of children died before the age of 1 per 1000 in a specific particular year, whereas literacy rate is the measure the proportion of literate population in the 7 and above एज ग्रुप. तो लिटरेसी रेट को हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं कि जितने भी बच्चे 7 साल से अबव हैं वो कितना पॉपुलेशन है जो लिटरेट है, जो पढ़ी लिखी है. नेक्स्ट, एवरेज अटेंडेंस रेशो. इट इज़ अ टोटल नंबर ऑफ़ चिल्ड्रन ऑफ एज ग्रुप 14 एंड 15, जो 14 से 15 साल तक के बच्चे हैं अटेंडिंग स्कूल. वो एज ग्रुप के बच्चे जो हैं कितने % हैं जो बच्चे स्कूल को अटेंड करते हैं एज अ परसेंटेज ऑफ टोटल नंबर ऑफ़ चिल्ड्रन. टोटल नंबर ऑफ़ चिल्ड्रन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर एज ग्रुप में से कितना % बच्चे जो हैं उस 14-15 एज ग्रुप के जो बच्चे स्कूल अटेंड करते हैं, दैट इज़ नेट अटेंडेंस रेशो. Among all the 3 states, Kerala has more developed than the other states as the infant mortality rate is 10, that is very low as the comparison of other 2 states. Also the literacy rate is high. Also the number of students who attending the school is high as compared to Haryana and Bihar. So how can we say a country is developed or not? So on the basis of these 4 factors we can conclude that which country is developed. First, on the basis of income. Second, on the basis of average income. Third, on the basis of per capita income. And the fourth, other criteria, that is freedom, security and equality. So this topic is over. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video please share it with your friends, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video, part 3